Well, you can adjust it very slightly. Just press it very slightly with that.
Press what?
That! The zoom! Adjust it very slightly.
It's gone off.
Oh, bloody hell! Jesus! Press macro. You're too hard. Has it gone off again?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ! You're so thick.
Focusing on me. Go on, Mark. Focus, baby. Bet that's Capital Radio. Oh, it's Mercury. We have Naffle. We look at the trainers. As you can see, they're rather worn. And behind you, Mark, you have a CD collection. On the sorry. Okay. There you have it. My collection of Bodish CDs and tapes there. That's it. Quite a few there. There's my CDs. Quite up close. Is that good? Blimey. Marcus is pretty close though. Sounds pretty rough, y'all. What else can we look at, Mark? What else can we look at? Look at this, Matt. Hello, Mr. Hippo. How are you feeling today? Good, glad to hear it. How is it hanging on the wardrobe cupboard door? Good. Do you like it there? Yeah, I know. Made Mark jump. I snapped it. Oh,
tell you what.
Whiffs a bit. Yeah, Mark, grab the mic.
No, it's just for both Oh,
You in the camera? Listen to this. Yeah.
If we got macro away. just press that. Yeah. And it should come up macro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Is it staying there? Yeah? Can you focus in on that?
Hang on, it's not on yet. MF it says, yeah? It's on that? Oh yeah.
No, you're not supposed to be pressing that. Just press macro, come up macro. It might take a second to come up. Just press it once. Yeah?
No, is it where it says close up?
No, it'll say macro there. It'll say it. It'll say MACRO.
Doesn't say anything.
Press it once.
Oh yeah, got it.
Yeah? Is it staying there?
No, it's gone off again.
Press it again. Hold it down for a bit.
Right, it's on there.
Is it staying on there?
Yeah.
Right, you can use that very slightly. Don't. That's it. It's probably gone off now, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
because you zoom in it.
Right, it's on now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right. What does that look like? Right.
It's a bit blurred.
Well, you can adjust it very slightly. Just press it very slightly with that.
Press what?
That! The zoom! Adjust it very slightly.
It's gone off.
Oh, bloody hell! Jesus! Press macro. Press that.
Yeah.
Right, is macro on?
Yeah, macro's on.
Right, okay.
Press it when it went off though.
No, you very, very slightly. Just touch. No! Has it gone off again?
No.
Very, very slightly. Just touch it very slightly and you can focus in and out and focus on it properly. Yeah?
Touch it slightly.
Yeah, just very slightly. You're too hard. Has it gone off again?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ! You're so thick.
Yeah, but I'm pressing it lightly, Mark.
No, you're not doing. I was doing it just a minute ago.
I don't understand how lightly you have to. Just like that, yeah?
Yeah. Just very lightly. You'll see it focus with the macro word still there.
It's not focusing there.
Jesus. Hold this. Oh, oh
Well, I'm still to do his toothpaste. Marcus is trying to do his toothpaste.
Right, I just want you to squeeze it all over the place. Alright?
Really?
Yeah, it's good.
What, the little?
Yeah. Point away from the camera. Don't want to go on the camera. Alright?
It's a waste though, isn't it? Have you got it, macro?
Yeah.
How's he focusing?
With this.
Yeah, but how hard do you press it? I can't. Is it focused?
That's it, yeah. Point it away. Don't point squirt on the lid. Jesus. Hang on. Oh, we didn't get it on
No,
the
it's
thing.
alright. Okay.
No, let me get that.
Ew.
Let me focus it.
It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. Yeah, my older mic. Go on, washing my hands, baby.
Fuck you. Oh, fuck you.
You're not going to believe this, but while Mark's looking in the mirror, I'm in his bedroom. I'm just turning there's a telly. Sound of the telly there. And Mark's miles away, I don't know where he is. He's probably coming in now, actually. Mark, you coming in? Mark? Where are you, baby?
It's amazing sound, it really is good. It's better sound than my personal stereo.